All right, today I have my DJI Mini 3 Pro that came in. I'm super excited. I want to take vlogs of the Woodlands from an aerial view to show the viewers a better perspective than what cameras can offer. So here we go. This thing is really small and light. Wow, it looks like a toy. It really does. All right, it better not act like one. So here's the battery. I'm gonna need to charge this guy. Looks like a cargo plane inside. This is the protective shield for the camera. These are the sensors for landing. All right, once I take this off, it's no longer fresh. Nice. So this camera could actually go vertical. Takes landscape portraits and videos and vertical portraits and videos. Okay. Let's see what else we got in the box. It should sync up automatically. Here are the controllers. I see people use it without the controllers, but I think they're more pro than I am, so I'm going to start out with the basics here. Super excited. All right, let's get this baby charged and take it for a test run. Behold, the Woodlands. I took my new DJI Mini 3 Pro into the air right away, and you can see why we're called the Woodlands. Try to find me. Can you see me? The drone is up at almost 400 feet. The descent seems slow, but if I was up at 400 feet, I probably wouldn't think it was slow. I'm loving how crisp the picture quality is and how smooth the motion of the camera is. Check out the gentle sway of the large trees in the wind. There I am, standing in the cul-de-sac with my hubby. I wanted to check out the sunset from above my house. I'm very impressed with the camera auto adjustments for color and lighting. I took my videos in 4K RAW to get the best resolution, and I am not disappointed. Look at that gorgeous sunset. The details and video quality is pretty decent considering how low the lighting is. Can you spot me? That's what I am, a little spot. The little black dot under the street light. I'm going to attempt to hand land the drone. So step 1, position the drone around head height. Almost there. Almost there. A little bit more. A little bit more. Almost. Here we go. Step 2, grab the drone from the bottom. Oops, landing sensors felt my hand. Let's try that again. Step 1, position the drone around head height. Step 2, grab the drone from the bottom, avoiding the landing sensors this time. Yes, that was cool. Now for my 5-second hyperlapse. Okay, now let's check out the sunrise. Here is a 360 view of the gorgeous sunrise in the Woodlands. I never get tired of looking at the sky. And on the opposite of the sunrise, we have a lingering moon. And here's a 300 frame hyperlapse of the sun peeking over the horizon. Well, that's it for now, folks. Thanks for watching, and keep a lookout for my next video of Lake Woodlands and the waterways using my new DJI Mini 3 Pro. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this new toy. See you next time.